When I was researching my first wolf book, it was mostly men working in the fields of wolf biology. And they made some assumptions about the kind of wolf that would become an alpha. So they mostly watched the big one, the strong, the fast, the domineering, the super charismatic one. That's the one that they spent most of their time watching, on the assumption that that's the one that we become an alpha one day. And often they did, right? It's not unusual for a charismatic individual to become a leader, but sometimes they didn't. And then they were always like, wait a minute, why is this one running the bunch now? But what happened 10 years later is that many more women were in the field of wolf biology, and they used the same rubric that men use to observe wolves. They weren't using a different system. They just chose to look at different wolves. They also looked at those omega wolves and female wolves, which male researchers had not spent so much time observing rigorously. They realized that it's actually the alpha female who leads the pack, chooses the den site where the pup will be born, the rendezvous site, which is like where they hang out in between hunts, the direction of travel each day when they're going out to hunt. So that was really interesting to me. Among adult wolves, males are about 10% larger than females. So in a hunt, it is true that that larger alpha male often would land the killing blow, but the female wolves, because they're smaller, they're also faster. And so the female wolf is also the one much more likely to land the first strike in a hunt.